Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. This is not going to be a boring one. I'm not going to bore you with any crazy introduction. We're not going to talk about what we're going to be doing today. We're just going to jump into some sound clips of my VR6 Volkswagen 3.6 liter. It is the B6, and we're going to jump into some sound clips of no muffler and no resonator. I'm going to explain that at the very end, but let's hear some revs. Alright guys, so you heard it. I love this VR6 motor. It's absolutely insane. I was just searching for different exhaust systems to do. Came across a bunch of people that just removed some of the insane resonators and mufflers that they put on this car. If you saw my last video, I will put it down in the link. You'll see I took off the Suitcase mufflers. Not a massive difference in sound, but since then I went down to a muffler shop. We have not completed what we're going to be doing with this system, but let me show you where we are at. So as in our last video, we cut off the mufflers. The next step that we're going to do is actually putting exhaust tips out the back. I know you guys heard some rattling back there, and that's mainly because these pipes are kind of just hanging. So as I rev, basically the down, when it goes to the down pressure of the rev, you're going to hear a slight rattle. So I'm going to be strapping these up. They're going to be hung. They are not on hangers right now, so that will change. Now, Volkswagen, on this specific model, some of the models have different setups, so you're going to have to know your car's setup. But underneath here, right in the middle, I removed a massive resonator that they put. You can see the welding there. Now down here, you'll see you're going to have as well 2 more resonators. Okay, so those have not been removed. Then you have your catalytic converters, which are right up front. So you've got catalytic converters, you've got some resonators, then you've got this massive Suitcase resonator muffler style thing that I removed. Then you've got your Suitcase mufflers at the back. So tons and tons of sound prevention. Also, on my specific car, we found out that they did gut the cats. I have been trying to figure out for a while why my check engine light comes on constantly. I have to reset it, and it's for a misfire. Now, I know I'm going to be doing the PCV valve, which also could be doing that, but right now I'm very aware that the cats have been gutted. It was a very hacksaw job, so we're going to be basically putting straight pipes on that as well. So I will be updating you guys when this entire exhaust is done. We're going to be doing another sound clip video, some drive-bys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to end this video with some more revs. So enjoy, guys.